Hi guys, welcome to Gramfree YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you how to upload video to Gramfree from your YouTube channel. So let's start the video. First, you select the video, which video you want to upload to Gramfree. Sorry, edit. Copy the link of your video. Copy link address and then paste it into Gramfree videos. Paste here your video link, paste, then copy your title of your video, select all, copy and paste here. And that will be the video will send for you to confirm that as this is about Gramfree. You see that in the next video I upload to this Gramfree, they reject my video due to because it is not belong to Gramfree advertisement or such another way. If you have any query, comment below the video and like our video and share with your friends.